15 real-world quadratic problems, your final test of the series. Here's how it runs. I read the problem, you get about 10 seconds to crack it yourself, then we solve it together. Full steps, nothing skipped. Pencil out. Let's find out if you actually learned something. Number 1. A rectangle's length is 3 more than its width, and its area is 40. Find the dimensions. Call the width W. The length is W plus 3. Area is length times width. So W times the quantity W plus 3 equals 40. Expand. W squared plus 3W equals 40. Move it all to one side. W squared plus 3W minus 40 equals 0. Factor. Two numbers that multiply to negative 40 and add to 3. 8 and negative 5. So, W plus 8 times W minus 5 equals 0, giving W equals negative 8 or 5. A width can't be negative, so we toss it. Width 5, length 8. Number 2. Two consecutive positive integers multiply to 156. Find them. Consecutive means n and n plus 1. So n times the quantity n plus 1 equals 156. That's n squared plus n minus 156 equals 0. Factor. Multiply to negative 156. Add to 1. 13 and negative 12. So n plus 13 times n minus 12. N is 12, taking the positive. 12 and 13. Check. 12 times 13 is 156. Done. Number 3. Two numbers differ by 5, and their product is 84. Find them. Let the smaller be x, so the bigger is x plus 5. Product. X times the quantity x plus 5 equals 84. X squared plus 5x minus 84 equals 0. Factor. Multiply to negative 84, add to 5. 12 and negative 7. So, x plus 12 times x minus 7. The positive answer is x equals 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 and 12. Number 4. A garden's length is 2 more than twice its width, and its area is 144. Find the width. Width W. Length 2W plus 2. Area. W times the quantity 2W plus 2 equals 144. 2W squared plus 2W equals 144. Every term's even, so divide by 2. W squared plus W equals 72. W squared plus W minus 72 equals 0. Factor. Multiply to negative 72. Add to 1. 9 and negative 8. So, W plus 9 times W minus 8. Width is 8. Length. 2 times 8 plus 2. 18. 8 by 18. Number 5. A frame of even width wraps a 6 by 8 photo, and the whole thing, photo plus frame, has area 120. Find the frame's width. Let the frame width be x. It adds x to each side, so the outer rectangle is 6 plus 2x by 8 plus 2x. Set the area. The quantity 6 plus 2x times the quantity 8 plus 2x equals 120. Expand. 48 plus 12x plus 16x plus 4x squared. So, 4x squared plus 28x plus 48 equals 120. Subtract. 4x squared plus 28x minus 72 equals 0. Divide by 4. X squared plus 7x minus 18 equals 0. Factor. 9 and negative 2. X plus 9 times x minus 2. Frame width is 2. Check. 10 by 12 is 120. Clean. Number 6. A ball's height is negative 16t squared plus 48t. When does it hit the ground? Ground means height 0. Negative 16t squared plus 48t equals 0. Factor out the common piece, negative 16t. Negative 16t times the quantity t minus 3 equals 0. So t is 0. That's the launch. Or t is 3. It lands at 3 seconds. Number 7. A rock's thrown off a 96-foot cliff. Height negative 16t squared plus 16t plus 96. When does it land? Land means 0. Negative 16t squared plus 16t plus 96 equals 0. Divide the whole thing by negative 16 to clean it up. T squared minus t minus 6 equals 0. Factor. T minus 3 times t plus 2. So t is 3, or negative 2. Time can't run backwards. Toss the negative. 3 seconds. Check. Negative 144 plus 48 plus 96. 0. Good.
Number 8. A rancher has 80 feet of fence for a rectangular pen against a barn. Only 3 sides. Maximize the area. The barn's the fourth wall. 2 equal sides of length x, and the long side is what's left. 80 minus 2x. Area. X times the quantity 80 minus 2x, 80x minus 2x squared. That's a down parabola, so the max sits at the vertex. X equals negative b over 2a. Negative 80 over 2 times negative 2, 20. The long side, 80 minus 40, 40. Max area, 20 times 40, 800 square feet. Number 9. Profit is negative 2x squared plus 60x minus 200. Find the price that maximizes profit and that max profit. Down parabola again, so the max is the vertex. X equals negative 60 over 2 times negative 2, 15. So the price is 15. Plug it back. Negative 2 times 15 squared plus 60 times 15 minus 200. Negative 2 times 225 is negative 450 plus 900 minus 200. 250. Max profit, $250 at a price of 15. Number 10. A ball's height is negative 16t squared plus 96t plus 12. Find the maximum height. Max is the vertex. Vertex times t equals negative 96 over 2 times negative 16, 3 seconds. Plug in. Negative 16 times 9 plus 96 times 3 plus 12. Negative 144 plus 288 plus 12, 156. Max height, 156 feet. Number 11. Revenue is negative 5x squared plus 200x. How many units max the revenue, and what is it? Vertex. X equals negative 200 over 2 times negative 5, 20 units. Plug in. Negative 5 times 400 plus 200 times 20, negative 2,000 plus 4,000, 2,000. 20 units brings in $2,000. Number 12. Solve x squared minus x minus 12 greater than 0. Find the roots first. Factor. X minus 4 times x plus 3. Roots are 4 and negative 3. It opens up, and we want where it sits above 0. That's outside the roots. So x less than negative 3 or x greater than 4. Number 13. Solve x squared minus 9 less than or equal to 0. Roots. X squared equals 9. X is 3 or negative 3. Opens up and less than or equal to 0 means below the axis. That's between the roots. So negative 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Number 14. Solve 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 less than 0. Roots. Factor. 2x minus 1 times x plus 2. X is 1/2 or negative 2. Opens up. Less than 0 means below, between the roots. So negative 2 less than x less than 1/2. Number 15. Solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Roots. Factor. X minus 2 times x minus 3, 2 and 3. Opens up. Greater than or equal to 0 means above, outside the roots, and we include the ends. So x less than or equal to 2 or x greater than or equal to 3. That's 15. Tally up your wins. Miss a few? That's what the rewind button's for. No shame in a second ride. But if you got most of these, partner, you didn't just watch this series, you conquered it. Tip your hat. See you down the trail.